Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of OnePlus 10T versus Xiaomi 11T Pro. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's discuss about camera in detail. Let's start with OnePlus 10T. Its primary camera है 50 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 1.8, अल्ट्रा वाइड 8 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.2 और माइक्रो कैमरा ऑफ 2 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.2 और HDR LED फ्लैश. Let's talk about Xiaomi 11T Pro. Its primary camera है 108 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 1.8, अल्ट्रा वाइड 8 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.2 और टेलीफोटो ऑफ 5 मेगापिक्सल अपर्चर 2.4 और HDR LED फ्लैश. Let's talk about both the phone price. OnePlus 10T come around $50,000 of $629 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, or 11T Pro come around $36,000 of $453 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. OnePlus 10T versus Xiaomi 11T Pro. Design wise, both the phone have good looking design. Display are good on both the phones. There is a better camera on 11T Pro. Hardware is better on OnePlus 10T. Connectivity are same and charging are better on OnePlus 10T, and price is better on Xiaomi 11T Pro. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.